Good morning, class. Assalamu alaikum. We have to start chapter number 14, introduction to set notation. We have learned the definition of set notations, and after this, describing a set, we use three methods to describe the first one in words, second one in set notation, and third one the element in a set in set notation. And next one we also have learned about the equal set and empty set. Equal set means if two sets are equal and elements are also same, and the empty set means if there is no element in any set, does not exist any element. Got it? This is also called null set. Now you come on exercise 14a. We have learned question number 1, 2 and 3. Today we have to start question number 4. Question number 4 is list the elements of the following set. List the element of the following set. A part, vowels in the word mathematics. We choose vowels in the words of mathematics. First part is exercise 14a. Question number 4, first part. Okay, vowels in the words of mathematics. Which ones are vowels? A and E and I. There are three vowels in the words of mathematics. Okay, there are three words in word mathematics. Okay, next part is the seven color of the rainbow. We write seven color of the rainbow. There are red, you know that, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. There are seven colors in rainbow. Now C part is multiples of 9. Multiples of 9 means कि you also write the table of 9. Multiples of 9 which are less than 50. Multiples of 9 which are less than 50. Okay, multiple of 9 mean 9 1 the 9, 9 2 the 18, 9 3 the 27, 36, 45. After this, these are less than 50. That's why we stop it here. Got it? We stop it here at 45. Okay. Now, D part is colors in your school flag. Okay, write the colors in your school flags. Now, tell me the colors. There are D part. This is D part. White and blue. There are two colors in your school flag. Got it? Now, last part is E part. This one is even numbers. Which are even numbers mean the number which are divisible by 2. Even numbers which are between 10 and 23. Between, there is not include 10 and 23. Got it? Okay, 10 and 23. It's mean 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. After this there is 24, but we write between number of 10 and 23. That's why we stop it. Got it? Okay, now this is complete. Now you come on next question number 5. The statement is state whether each of the following collections is a well defined set. The collection is given in the form of set because there is a bracket. Got it? Given a reason for each answer. Got it? Now first part is a pupils in my class who has two brothers. आपने वो बच्चे बताने क्लास में जो ट्विन्स है, क्लास में टू ब्रदर्स हैं. A pupil in my class who have two brothers. Got it? बेशक वो डिफरेंट क्लास में भी जा सकते हैं. इट डजेंट मैटर कोई एक ही क्लास में है. It may be, now you could tell how many brothers. Two brothers are in your class. If अगर आपकी क्लास में बच्चे हैं देन यू राइट यस. जो दो भाई हैं अगर नहीं है देन यू राइट नो. गॉट इट. नाउ बी पार्ट इज अ प्यूपिल इन माई क्लास हु इज शाय. आपने वो बच्चे बताने हैं जो आपकी क्लास में शाय हैं. अगर यस है तो यस, अगर नो तो यू राइट नो. अ टीवी एक्टर हु इज वेल लाइक्ड बाय माई क्लासमेट. Got it? If there is yes then you write yes, if there is no then you write no. A dish well liked by my family member. Got it? A textbook used in my school. A most attractive actors in Hollywood. You write answer in the form of yes and no. Got it? Now you come on question number 6. Question number 6 is state whether each of the following set is an empty set. If there is an empty set then you write empty. This is a symbol of empty set. You also write empty set single brackets, and there are two methods to write empty set, this one and this one. You tell the set is empty or not. First part is polar bears living in a Sahara desert. Empty set or not? No, then you write empty set. If there is yes then you write yes. Got it? Blind man which are pure cut, buses with 5 seats, boys who wear skirts to school. Got it? You all write all the parts and you tell the this is empty set or not. Got it? Just like quadrilateral having 3 obtuse angles, parallelogram having 5 vertices, triangle having 3 equal sides. This is yes, then you write yes, and not, then you write not. Multiplies of 3 dads are divisible by 9. Just this is that. This is correct statement. Or numbers that are divisible by 4. This is wrong statement. Got it? Or number are not divisible by 2, then this is empty set. Got it? All the statements are just like here. You read all the statement and you tell the set is empty or not. Got it? If you have any problem, note it and solve all the parts. If you have any problem, then inbox me. Thank you.